and welcome to Camping and Outdoor Stuff. I'm Snert. The HK 500 high pressure paraffin lantern has another accessory that I've got here in the box, so we're going to unbox this. It is the tree hanger. Now, generally speaking, when I go, I use the wrought iron bird feeder and sink that in the ground and hang it up. You can hang it up anywhere. But Petromax do a tree lantern hanger. So let's get it out of the box and have a look at that. So what we've got in the box is the actual hanger itself. So you can imagine that part is digging into the top of a tree, and this is resting on the hoopy part here. Will hang on the handle of the HK 500 and hang on the side of the tree. I'll show you how to put that on a tree later. And the other part that's in the bag is the chain, and the chain loops around the tree and hooks onto the hanger to stop it sliding down the tree. So we'll show you how to fit that, and we'll hang the lantern on it. Okay, so I've brought the Petromax tree hanger out for the lantern, the HK 500 or the HK 150 or any other lantern you've got that you want to hang into a tree. What you need to do first, it's on a chain and it has a hook on one end. Thread it through the hooks at the top, and these two points at the bottom have got a spike on them so you can stick into the tree, so it won't help stop it sliding down. So we pass this end of the chain through the tree, or around the tree that we're trying to fasten it to. Whatever you like. So pull that through for the hoops at this end. Hook the hook from one end through one of the links, and then that will dig in the tree. Lantern's lit, anytime a lantern, hang it on the hook. The more pressure that's applied downwards here will dig in the two spikes into the tree to stop it sliding down. So as you can see, that's quite sturdy. Put that up as high as you like. Get it lit, I'll show it lit in the tree later. Hello, I'm back. It's dark. I said I'd return when it went dark and show you the Petromax HK 500 hanging from the tree hanger. Not dead easy to see the tree hanger because it's dark and I'm being blinded by the light. So, but nevertheless, it is here and it is hanging from the tree. Perhaps just about make out the tree hanger. You can see the chain at the back hanging down. Somebody asked me to record the sound of the HK 500, because I did say that you can hear it as though it sounds alive and it's breathing, so I'll just shut up here, you can have a listen to it. when you're sat in somewhere like the wilderness of North Wales in a campsite, drinking whatever you feel like, sat in front of a campfire, and it's totally silent, and you can listen to that light. It is a wonderful thing. Okay, I was asked another question about the light, and somebody asked me, can you alter the brightness? Great question. I hadn't even thought about it, so I'm going to show you how to do that. The dial, which is here, the blue dial that I've mentioned in the previous videos, that you can turn from 0 to being off to 6 o'clock being on. If you wind in between, it restricts the flow of paraffin and does alter the light brightness. Let's give this a demonstration here. So I'll turn it down. You can turn it down until it's nearly out. Difficult to see on video, but it is significantly dimmer. So just change the flow of the paraffin really, and that will work. And turn it back up again, you can see it back. So there you go. Goes quieter. That way you don't have to actually increase and decrease the pressure, which would work to a certain degree. But you'd be up and down, pumping the damn thing up and down all the time, pumping the pressure back up to get the brightness, letting the pressure back out to get it dim. So this is the best way. So there we go. Okay, so that's the end of the video with the tree hanger and the HK500. I hope I've covered some of the things that people have asked about. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.